Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. This is a look at the market leading stocks via our proprietary scans for the coming session. This is going to be for Tuesday, October 1st, 2013, first day of the fourth quarter. What we've got right now is we've got mostly camouflage buy setups across the board here. We definitely have that bias here this morning. We gapped down very significantly, but most everything is playing out above the day's open. We do have a couple sell signals here. This clack is conflicted right now. That'll probably square itself before the close. And right now Amazon's got a downside CPS condition. But keep in mind here that we've got very, very light volume for the most part. I think what we're seeing this morning, like I described in the trading lab, was to be on guard for just kind of a bid vacuum where people just kind of put their buy orders in their pocket and just wait. I think that's what we're seeing. We're not seeing a whole lot of proactive selling. We're just kind of seeing just kind of a lack of bids right now. The other stock that should be jumping out is Baidu, very, very strong. That one's actually trading fairly decent volume. They'll be spinning off one of their subsidiaries. So a little financial engineering there. That could be in play again tomorrow. The financials a little less decisive with the camouflage buy signals than the Nasdaq side, but definitely skewed to the buy side here. And again, same situation. Very, very light volume on a lot of these names. Moving on to the energy names, better to buy here again. Just a couple of sells here. PBR was busy all day. Petrobras trading better than typical volume with a pretty decent down candle and a right now a camouflage sell signal. So keep an eye on that. BP, another overseas conglomerate, is also trading good volume as well. Looking at the generals, here's where we're starting to see some a little bit more weakness. The Nasdaq side is definitely relatively strong today versus the broad market side. We're seeing that here with the generals. Market generals are actually skewed to the downside here with quite a few downside CPS conditions. Got a volume bump here in VMware, VMW, so I'm going to track that for tomorrow, and also Comcast as well. Looking at the housing names, these are again better to buy, camouflage buy signals for the most part, and the transports are kind of all over the board here, and they're very, very conflicted. Moving on to the commodity names, the commodities are actually pretty muted. The one thing that's a little bit disappointing, at least personally, is that they gapped oil down, had it down almost $2 on the day, and they've walked it back up here. We're only down about 40 cents now at about 3:30 in the afternoon. So no real break and follow through to the downside in oil. So oil prices are staying tough here, which definitely has economic impact going forward. All right, folks. Well, that's it for this evening. As always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.